Examples of key operation setting. Setting up the content of 01 setting item. Change UTI mode to SOL mode. Press key set to enter into setting item or content setting. Press key up for paging and select 01 setting item. At this time, 01 flickers. Remind whether to choose content of 01 setting item. Press key enter to confirm the setting of 01 setting item. At this time, 01 does not flicker, but the content of 01 setting item to be set in the setting item flickers for reminding. If UTI flickers, remind whether to select the UTI setting. To change to SOL, press key down for paging and then select SOL mode. Press key enter to confirm change to SOL mode. Successful setting, that is, content of 01 setting item, is successfully set. 01 flickers again. Press key set to exit the setting. Description of each setting group. 00 exit setting, 01 working mode setting, 02 AC output frequency setting, 03 AC input voltage range setting, 04 battery voltage point setting for switching from battery to AC mains, 05 battery voltage point setting for switching from AC mains to battery, 06 charge priority mode setting, 07 maximum charge current setting, 08 battery type setting, 09 battery voltage point setting for boost charge, 10 booster charge time setting, 11 battery voltage setting for floating charge, 12 battery over discharge protection voltage setting, 13 battery over discharge delay shutdown time setting, 14 battery under voltage alarm point setting, 15 battery discharge limit voltage setting, 16 equalizing charge enable setting, 17 equalizing charge voltage setting, 18 equalizing charge time setting, 19 equalizing charge delay time setting, 20 equalizing charge derating time setting, 21 equalizing charge start and stop setting, 22 power saving mode setting, 23 overload auto restart setting, 24 over temperature auto restart setting, 25 buzzer setting, 26 working mode switching buzzer reminder setting, 27 setting for switching to bypass from inverter as overloaded. Boot up operation. Turn on the power button. Buzzer is on. Indicator light is up. Play screen is on. Introduction to display icon and state of indicator light. The circular icon is a bypass AC input icon. The icon in the lower left corner is the input icon for solar panels. The left two rows of icons indicate charging in process. The middle icons indicate battery input. The lamp icons indicate load device. Percentage icon is load icon. Introduction to operation mode status indicated by different arrows. The arrow in the figure represents power supply from bypass AC input to the load. The arrow in the figure represents change from bypass AC input to batteries. The arrow in the figure represents charge from the input of the solar panel to batteries. The circle in the diagram represents the energy from batteries to load. AC and INV indicator light represents bypass or battery inversion status. Charge indicator light represents battery charging status. Fault indicator light represents failure status of inverter. Introduction to key function. They are keys for setting, paging up and selection, paging down and selection. Enter. Press page up and page down to select the paging or viewing parameters. The following displayed figures indicate software versions. Introduction to display parameters. Screen display values are divided into three information parts. The upper left area displays values of different input parameters. The middle area displays default codes. And the upper right area displays the values of output parameters. Battery voltage 49.7 VDC. AC output loading voltage 230 VAC. Software version number. Inverter radiator temperature 39 degrees. AC output loading power 1.09 kilowatts. Bus voltage 375 VDC. AC output loading apparent power 1.10 kVA. Bypass AC input voltage 236 VAC. AC output loading current 4.9 ampere. Bypass AC input frequency 50 Hz. AC output loading frequency 50 Hz. Charge power of input battery 0.78 kilowatts. Battery output discharge power 0 kilowatts. Input charge current 16 ampere. Battery output discharge current 0 ampere. Input voltage of solar panel 102 VDC. Charge current of solar panels 18.4 ampere. Charge radiator temperature of solar panels 34 degrees. Charge power of solar panels 1.21